my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share how to make crown out of cantaloupe. First, I'm going to cut cantaloupe in half. To remove seeds, my favorite way with ice cream scoop. My Instagram friend Megan used this technique on her professionally done fruit board. I'm going to cut my cantaloupe in 8 slices. For convenience, I'm making line 1 inch from the bottom. Above 1 inch mark, I cut off skin. Make sure it's thick enough to hold shape. I'm going to make half-inch deep slot. Here I'm going to attach melon peel, but different directions than it was before. My cantaloupe crown is ready. Visit my website. I have almost 70 pages about food garnish decor. Thank you for watching.